Thank you, Mr. Tony. Good evening, class. Okay. It's nice to see you guys again tonight. All right, so tonight we are going to continue the chapter that we were left off last week, which is chapter 20, 24. Okay, about Halloween, guys. All right. So let's start with the role play. Whoever interested to do the role plays, then you may raise your hands and I'll assign the dialogue parts to each of you guys. Okay, and then we have 8 parts available for you guys to grab. Okay, so while waiting for the rest of the classmates to join us, let's do the review on the pronunciation of some of the words and phrases that I need you guys to pay extra attention. Okay. Okay. So let's check on Patrick's dialogue number 1. Okay. So the words are October 30th. 30th. Remember, it's not 30 because there is a th on the top. So that's called ordinal numbers. Okay, so you pronounce that as 30th. Okay, when you say the th towards the end of the word, as if there is some air coming out from your mouth. Okay, October 30th. And then Halloween. Move on to Patrick number 2. The words are dressed in our favorite. Okay, and then Sarah, Patrick again on Patrick 3. We have the cape and the mask. Out of you. Out of you. The cape and the mask. Oke, okay. The cape itu artinya seperti jubah ya, yang seperti jubah, tapi jubahnya cuma yang menutupin bagian belakang aja ya, bagian pundak hingga ke bawah, panjang sampai ke mungkin sampai ke bawah di kakinya ya. Okay, and then we have Patrick number 4. We have great, okay, and then ourselves. Okay, ourselves here is plural, so remember the S. Ourselves, and then move on. Okay, another word is old, okay, and then move on to Ian number 2. The word is heard. I heard. Okay. And then Patrick number 6 is afterwards. And Christine number 4 are the brands of the chocolates. Hershey's. They all comes with the apostrophe s or with the plural s. Okay. Hershey's, Reese's, Snickers, and Twix. Jolly Ranchers. Okay. And then On E and number 3, the words are seems, it seems settled. It seems as though everything is settled. Everything is settled. Okay, settled. Okay. All right, that's it. Only Lolo. Keep it that way. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, we have 8. We need 8 volunteers. Okay, so let's see. Patrick. All right. Patrick, number 1 and number 2. I'll have Shirley taking care of that. Patrick, number 1 and 2. Move on to Sarah, number 1 until number 3. Okay, I'll have Mr. Amins doing that. And then Patrick, number 3 and 4. I'll have Nani is doing that. And then Dani is doing Sarah, number 4 until number 6. Let's see. All right, and I have UD. Welcome to our conversation class. Okay, UD, you are taking care of mom's dialogue number 1 until number 3. Okay, so now we have 3 spots available. We'll wait, let me see the time, until 7:11. We'll give 2 minutes for the rest of the class to get themselves settled down, and then let's see from there. Okay. All right. So, okay, since we haven't finished the parts of comprehension tasks, okay? So on the previous week, you guys already finished comprehension tasks until number D, all right? Okay, number A until number D already done, okay? So pay attention to the classmates. They are doing the role play. That way you are understanding what they're saying and able to make a conclusion for the comprehension test. Okay, and you're able to answer it. Okay, meaning that you understand what they're saying. Okay, then the comprehension test will be easy. And then after we're doing that, and then enough time, we'll do the discussion also. Okay, based on your experience, knowledge, anything like that. Okay, so that's the plan for today. All right. We have 3 more spots to grab. Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay. Whoever interested in joining the conversation role plays, okay, well, you know, this is a conversation class. What you need to do is pick it up. That way you know which part you need to improve, right, guys? Okay, since this is not a grammar class, you need to be actively speaking up orally. All right, that's how you learn. All right, so already past 7:11. Let's do the other parts now. Okay, so Christine number 1 until number 4. Okay, I'll have Shirley. Okay, Shirley will do Christine number 1 until number 4 also. And then I'll have Dani. Dani's taking care of Ian number 1 until number 3. And then, one second. And then Nani. Nani is doing Patrick number 5 and 6. Okay. Now listen up. Okay. Repeat again. Patrick number 1 and number 2 is taken care by Shirley. Mr. Amin is doing Sarah number 1 until 3. Nani is doing Patrick number 3 and 4. And then Dani is taking care of Sarah number 4 until 6. UD is doing Mom's number 1 until number 3. Shirley is doing Christine number 1 until number 4. And then Dani is doing Ian number 1 until number 3. And then Nani will close the conversation with Patrick number 5 and 6. Okay, guys? Now, allow me to unmute you guys. As always, the least background sound will be really helpful to the rest of the class to learn
Good
from
evening,
you.
Miss Susan.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. How you
Yes.
doing today?
Fine.
Very good. Nice to hear your voice again, meaning you're healthy, guys. All right. Times is yours. Yes, Dani?
Good evening, Miss.
Oh, okay. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Dani. I thought you have any question. Clear, right, Dani? Your part?
Yes, clear, Miss.
Very good. Okay. Now, times is yours, guys. We may start with Shirley.
Okay. Wow. Today is October 38th. Halloween is tomorrow already. Have you decided what you will be dressing up for Halloween yet, Sarah?
I'm not sure what I want to be yet. I want to be either a butterfly or a monkey. But why do we dress up for Halloween?
Halloween is a festival for children, and costume make it more special. I think we have much more fun going from house to house asking for candy, trick or treating, after sunset, dressed in our favorite costume.
Yes, I remember having a lot of fun last year. When Mom took me along in a bunny outfit. Do you know what you want to be yet, Patrick?
I want to be Batman. I like wearing the cape and the mask. I think you should be you are so much shorter than me and dressed a pumpkin in a pumpkin costume. Someone might think you really are one and try to make a pie out of you.
How could anyone mistake me for a real pumpkin? Real pumpkins do not have a head or arms or legs, but I suppose I will be a butterfly anyway. I can have a pretty wings.
Patrick or Nani?
Great, great. So you will be a butterfly and I will be Batman. Let's go ask Mom if we can go trick and treating tomorrow night by ourselves. Although you are still young, I think I'm old enough to watch over the both of us.
Okay, let's go, Mom. Sorry, let's go ask Mom.
Mom, can Sarah and I go trick or treating by ourselves tomorrow? I want was offer her and make sure she stays out of trouble.
Yes, ma'am. If we go by ourselves, then you can stay at home and relax. You will not have to get cold waiting for us.
UD. Okay, one second. UD,
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome.
Okay. Thank you for offering, Patrick. However, I will be worried and I will not be able to relax if you and your brother go by yourself while I stay home. Let me ask Christine or Ian if one of them can go with both of you. Then I can stay home and relax. Christine, Ian,
What, ma'am? You call us?
do you have any free time tomorrow night? Can one of you take Patrick and Sarah around the neighborhood so that they can trick or treat on Halloween?
Sure. Shirley.
Mom, I heard you wanted to go watch a movie tomorrow night with Dad. If you want, I can stay at home and give out candy to any trick or treaters who come by while Christine takes Patrick and Sarah trick or treating.
Okay, actually, we're still doing Christine number 2.
Oh, I'm
Okay,
doing the
yes,
two
Christine number 2.
number two until number
Christine
four.
number, yes, until 4, yes.
I can take them, Mom. I do not have any plans tomorrow.
Okay, then.
Mom, I heard you wanted to go watch a movie tomorrow night with Dad. If you want, I can stay at home and give out candles to any trick or treat who come by while Christine takes Patrick and Sarah trick or treating.
Then you and Dad can have a little fun on Halloween too.
So Mom and Dad can relax.
Sounds like a plan, kids. Thanks a lot.
Well, I think I am all enough to take Sarah around by myself, but maybe we can get more candy if Christine comes. Hey Christine, how about you trick and treat with us and give us your candy afterwards?
No way, Patrick. I will eat every Hershey, Reese's, Snickers, and Twix I get. You can have my Jolly Ranchers too.
Danny.
Well, it seems as tough. Everything is settled, and everyone will have some Halloween fun. I think I am going to have the the most fun of all though. I get to eat all the candy that I do not give away, and I do not even have to trick or treat for it.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, everybody. Okay, dog. Let's do quick review. Very low. Okay, the list. Okay. Now check on Ian number 3 here. Okay. The word is here. As though. Okay, so this is though, not thought or yeah. Okay. It seems as though, and also this is all of us though, okay. It seems as though everything is settled and everyone will have some Halloween fun. I think I am going to have the most fun of all though. Oke, do itu seperti it seems as though seperti kalau oke, nah kalimat yang ini ya, it seems as though everything is settled. Seolah-olah itu kelihatannya, nah gitu kira-kira. Itu untuk the function of as though di situ adalah untuk memperkuat. Oke, emphasizes that everything is settled. Oke, check on this. Okay, we have okay, let me see if you guys can. Let me share this really quick. Okay, right here. Okay, we discussed this on the, I believe last week. Huh? Let me see. Okay, let me see if you can. Okay, where did it go? Can you guys see it? Oh, screen sharing here. One second. Man, where did it go? Man? It's gone. See. To the middle. This is the internet. Exit. It's not. Exit. Oh, there. Screen. Screen. Screens. Unmuted. Let's go back here again. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, sorry for the interruption because my internet kind of slow. I am not able to share the other page. Okay, so anyway, so as though itu seperti seolah-olah. It seems as though everything is there, Sarah. Jadi translation to Indonesian is like sepertinya semuanya udah beres. Nah, kita kira-kira begitu ya. Okay, so anyway, so you guys able you can check the meaning of that as though on the explanation of the expression that you guys already received from Master Tony, okay, in the group. So let's see, and then let's go move on to. One second. It's gonna lagging my. Okay, move on to Patrick number 5. Patrick number 5. The word is ourselves, not ourselves. What was that? Ourselves. So it's not. It's so this is ourselves instead of ourselves. Selfish. Okay, I believe I heard like it's ourselves. Okay, like that. So this is ourself. Okay, so okay, anyway, though there. Okay, so that's pattern number 5, ourselves. Okay, I'll have Nani repeat after me. Okay, ourselves.
Ourselves.
Okay, so remember it's self, just self without VES. Okay, very good. Okay, any question, Nani?
No, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, so another one is the last one. We have the as-though. Okay, as-though. All right, I'll have Dani repeat after me.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, it seems as though everything is settled.
It seems as though everything is settled.
Settled, yes. I think I am going to have the most fun of all, though.
I think I am going to have the most fun of all though.
Though. Okay, although. Because we remember we have the words although without only one L. Okay, let me write it here so you guys can see the difference and then okay, although although di sini artinya meskipun, okay, even though, okay, that's the same. Nah, right here we have so you have to have a pause between the word all and then do. Nah, ini kalau di kalimat ini, I think I am going to have the most fun of all though, like that. You see, there is when I say all of all though, like that, there is a pause in between those two words, right? Otherwise, it's gonna sound like although, like this, okay? So dalam kalimat ini dia di sini do-nya juga berarti menurutku aku yang akan aku yang paling what do you call, paling banyak mendapatkan yang paling banyak bagus dari bahasa Indonesia, paling banyak to have the most fun. Okay, yang menurutku aku yang paling banyak menikmati yang dapat menikmati Halloween inilah kira-kira begitu ya. Oke. Namun, nah di sini do-nya di belakang. Nah ini artinya itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu dia namun di bagian depan. Namun, nah menurutku aku yang paling bisa menikmati ini Halloween ini kira-kira begitu. Oke. So you see the difference, right? When I say although and then although.
Yes, Miss. Miss, jadi artinya apa tadi yang although?
Yang although ini atau yang di kalimat ini
Yang di
although
kalimat.
oke
Yang di kalimat.
namun namun dia namun di sini oke namun menurutku aku yang akan paling bisa menikmati hari ini kira-kira gitu
Oke, Miss.
oke ya kira-kira begitu jadi dari
Namunnya itu kalau di bahasa Inggris di belakang ya, di akhir ya.
it depends ya but most of the time yes do-nya di bagian belakang ya. Ini soalnya ini dia sebenarnya comparison between all because here is this, the most fun of all do like that. Nah, do-nya ini fungsinya itu untuk emphasizes the most fun. Oke. Sebenarnya tidak tanpa do punya sudah strong enough because there is the most, okay? There is a most fun. Okay, I think I'm going to have the most fun of all. Namun here Ian is trying to emphasize to make jadi untuk memperkuat kalimatnya itu kalau dia itu the most, oke? Jadi dia tambahin itu, gitu loh. Sebenarnya kalau dalam kalimat yang formal tulisan, we don't use that do anymore because that's double what do you call it's the meaning is doubling like that. Okay, so this is conversational thing.
Kalau tadi saddled itu artinya apa?
What's that?
Saddled.
Oh, it seems as though everything is settled. Okay, kelihatannya semuanya sudah beres. Kira-kira begitu kalau dalam kalimat semuanya ya. Sebenarnya esdo ini nanti dilihat di ini ya, yang kita sudah membahas tentang expression ya. Di expression itu ada tambahan the explanation of what esdo is, okay? As if kelihatannya itu esdo itu semua punya makna yang mirip dengan it seems, okay? Jadi seolah-olah ya gitu kira-kira kelihatannya seolah-olah semuanya sudah beres ya gitu kira-kira artinya.
Oke. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys have a better understanding of those, yeah. It's because in conversational things and then the written, it's gonna be a little bit different. Okay. And then even in the writing, there are different things between formal and informal, just like in Bahasa. Okay. When we have the conversational things, we have some words that's like different that we don't put it on the what do you call on the writing things, right, guys? All right, so let's move on to the comprehension test, guys. Okay, so last week you guys already finished answering until number D. Let's move on to number E, guys. Number E, who is going to take Sarah and Patrick trick-or-treating? Okay, let's have Jane. Let's have Jane figure it out for us.
What kind of the number?
Number E.
Okay. Who is going to take Sarah And Patrick took our treating. Let me see. Above.
Do you need the above?
Yes, I want to see that for determine the answer.
Okay. Let's check on mom. Mom call us, and then is the choices is either Christine or Ian only, because Patrick was going to the Patrick, and then recall.
Let me.
And Sarah are the ones going, so Christine number 2.
I think Ian. I think Ian is the answer.
Okay, look at this. After mom's number 2, okay, right here. Do you have any free time tonight? Can one of you take Patrick and Sarah around the neighborhood so that they can go trick-or-treating on Halloween? And Christine said, I can take them, Mom. I do not have any plans tomorrow.
Oh, I see. So Christine is the answer.
All right, so let's go back to our question and then full answer, please.
Christine is going to take Sarah and Patrick trick-or-treating.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Jane. Okay. So, okay, according to Jane, Christine is the one taking them to Christine is taking Sarah and Patrick. Sarah and Patrick. Trick or treating. Trick or treating. Okay. So that's number E. Now, why does Ian offer to stay at home to give out candy? Okay. Now, number F. Why does Ian offer to stay at home to give out candy? Okay, let's hear from Nani.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Nani.
Why does Ian offer to stay at home to give out candy? Ian offers.
Okay, Ian offers
to stay at home
to
give
at home.
to give out candy because her mom
And this.
her.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let me try to move this thing. Okay, candy because
He her
he heard
his mom want to go watch a movie tomorrow night with his dad.
Oh, okay. So let's see. Now, instead of we're saying the mom like that, okay, we can just say mom and dad as parents, yes? Because his parents want
to go
watch movie
tomorrow night.
Okay, give me 1 second, no space here. Which is tomorrow night is watch movie on, that's Halloween day, yes? So we can just on Halloween day, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. I also agree with Nani, guys. Okay, very good. Okay, Nani, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Very good. Now move on to number G. What does Patrick want from Christine when they return from trick-or-treating? Okay, number G. Okay, let's see. Let me look for the space. One second, okay. Number G, let me see, space somewhere. Okay. Number G, let's do it here. Number G. Let's hear from what does Patrick want from Christine when they return from trick-or-treating. Okay, let's hear from Mr. Amin first.
Okay, Miss, I try it. What
Sure.
does, apa yang diinginkan Patrick ya dari
Yes.
Christine ketika mereka kembali dari itu trick or treat apa?
Yes. Trick-or-treating.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
Sing.
What he wants. G.
And he want give us his candy afterward.
Oh, okay. So Patrick wants. Okay, let's do it.
Patrick wants to give us their candy afterward.
Okay, let's check first what exactly they're saying. Okay. Okay, what does Patrick want? Okay, remember the question. Okay, let's go back.
Apa yang diinginkan?
Apa yang diinginkan Patrick dari Christine ya?
Ya.
Okay, no, let's check it out. Okay, check on Patrick number 6. Okay.
Where I think I have not to take alone. Patrick can get more candy
if Christine comes. Yes, and then what he said to Christine. Yes, and then what he said to Christine, like I says.
And give
Christine. Yes.
Patrick wants Christine more candy.
Okay, so di sini, now let's check on Patrick number 6. Okay, let me try to translate. Okay, well, I think I'm old enough to take Sarah around by myself, but maybe we can get more candy if Christine comes. Hey, Christine, how about you trick-or-treating with us and then give us your candy afterwards? Well, sebenarnya menurutku itu aku sudah cukup besar ya untuk mengajak Sarah pergi trick-or-treating bareng sama dengan aku, tapi kita bisa dapatin permen lebih banyak kalau Christine ikut. Christine, nanti nanti kalau ikut trick-or-treating sama kami, nanti setelah itu nanti permennya kasih ke kami ya.
Setelahnya.
Setelah trick-or-treating ya. So he said like this. Christine, nanti kamu kan ikut trick-or-treating sama kami. Nah, nanti permennya kasih ke kami ya. So what Patrick exactly wants from her?
Patrick exactly wants to candy.
Okay, so Patrick wants
more candy.
Yes.
More candy. Lebih banyak gula.
More candies from
Christine comes.
Yes. From Christine. After trick-or-treating, yes? Okay,
Yeah.
Christine. When they return from trick-or-treating.
trick or treating.
Very good. Thank you,
Long.
Mr. Amin.
Okay, Miss.
Trick or treating. Okay, easier. Okay, very good. Yes, so Patrick wants more candies from her. Okay. GH. What is Christine willing to give Patrick? Okay, let's hear from Danny. Okay, Danny.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Why does Ian think?
H.
Oh,
H.
H.
Yes.
What is Christine willing to give Patrick? Willing apa, Miss?
Bersedia. Oke, apa yang willing bersedia. Apa yang Christine bersedia berikan kepada Patrick?
I see.
Merelakan. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so look, after Patrick number 6, Christine says something. Okay, no way, Patrick. Okay, Patrick, on Patrick number 6, okay, Patrick said, give us all your candy afterwards. Okay, and then Christine said, no way, Patrick, I will eat blah, 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 blah. You can have blah, 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 though. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Jadi, give us your candy.
Yes, that's what Patrick said, right? Nah, Patrick bilang nanti kamu permennya kasih ke kita semua ya, okay? And then Christine say, no way, Patrick. Enak aja, Patrick. Kira-kira bahasa Indonesia ya begitu ya, kira-kira ya. Enak aja gitu katanya si Christine. Nanti saya makan semua tuh Hershey's, Reese's, Snickers, Twix, oke? Itu nama macam-macam coklat ya, itu coklat tapi berbeda-beda ini ya. You can have my Jolly Ranchers though. Okay, so what Christine is giving to them? Willing to give to Patrick then?
Yang ini ya, yang Hershey Ranchers, Snickers, and itu ya, bla 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 bla.
Okay, Christine say like this. No way, Patrick. Okay, let's see. I'm Christine, okay? I'm gonna say to Patrick, no way, Patrick. I will eat every Hershey's, Reese's, Snickers, and Twix I get. Okay, I say I will eat. Okay, so I'll keep. Okay, I keep all those things. You can have my Jolly Ranchers though. Okay. Saya akan makan semua, oke, yang disebutkan itu ya, Hershey's bla 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 bla. So, saya akan makan semua Hershey's, Reese's, Snickers yang saya dapatkan. Kamu bisa ambil Jolly Ranchersku, gitu katanya. Okay. Jolly Ranchers is a brand of the hard candy. Now, this hard candy has the flavor, okay, like what do you call that? Like the different kind. It depends on the color. They have different flavor. But since it's hard, so people doesn't really like hard candies there. Okay.
I see.
Yeah. So got it. So what Christine willing to give to Patrick then?
Jolly Ranchers.
Okay. Let's do in the full sentence. Okay, give me 1 second. You can search on Google how the Jolly Ranchers look like. Okay, it's just like a regular candy wrapper like that. Okay, now Christine is willing to give Patrick her her
Jolly
Jolly
Rancher.
Ranchers. Okay, that's it. Okay, any other question, Dani?
Oh ya, Miss, tadi yang atas mau dilihat lagi, Miss, bentar.
Okay, hold on.
Yang itu jadinya apa tadi belum aku tulis yang
Okay, hold on a minute. Okay.
Sam's. Bentar. Yang tadi di dialog.
Okay, which one, Patrick?
It seems as though. Itu tadi artinya apa, Miss? Sama kayak apa?
It seems as though, okay. It seems as though kelihatannya it seems as though everything is settled. Kelihatannya semua sudah beres ya. Kira-kira bahasa Indonesia begitu. Nah, jadi so let's say you can use this sentence when you have a plan with your friends. Okay, tomorrow we're going to the beach. Okay, you bring this, you bring this. Okay, we're gonna meet up here at what time? Okay, so everything already okay. Everybody already say okay for their part, right? Now and then after that, then you can say like this. Well, it seems as though everything is settled. Okay. Nah, kan semua udah beres tuh. Jadi you can say that kind of word. And then you can get rid of as though also. It seems everything is settled. Nah, di dalam bahasa Indonesia kan kita bisa ngomongnya, oke, semuanya udah beres ya. Nah, benar ya kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, kalau kita ngomongnya begitu ya. Semuanya sudah beres, maksudnya masing-masing sudah tahu tugasnya, when we gonna get together, what time, everything as planned, right? So you can use that kind of sentence. Nah, kira-kira kalau di secara garis besar translation terjemahannya demikian. Okay, got it?
Thank you. Yes, get it.
Okay, very good. You can use in your daily life, so you can get used to that. Okay, very good. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, the question number I. Why does Ian think he will have the most fun of all? All right, let's hear from Shirley. Okay. Number I, please.
I think he will have the most fun of all. He will have the most fun of all because he's going to have the most, because he gets to eat all the candies that he do not give away, and he can have to trick or treat for it.
Yes, I also agree with you. Okay, very good. Hold on, okay. Give me 1 second. Let me try to get a spot. Okay, let's do it. Now, Ian thinks he will have the most fun. He will have the most fun of all because he gets to eat okay, not all the candy that he didn't give away to the trick-or-treaters that come to the house, right? So that's kalau begitu kira-kira kita bisa we can summarize that as the what kind of candy? You can get to eat the leftover, right? The leftover candy.
Leftover candy.
Candies without, yes.
All the candies that we do not give away, and we do not even to trick or treat for it.
Okay, without going trick or treating?
Trick or treat. Sorry.
Okay, so like this, I use the word leftover, okay? Because like this, okay, let's say leftover itu dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya kan sisa ya. Jadi si Ian ini pikir dia akan yang paling bisa menikmati Halloween ini karena dia bisa makan semua sisa-sisa sisa permen. Maksudnya sisa itu sisa yang tidak diberikan kepada anak-anak yang datang ke rumah ya. Jadi sisa permen tanpa harus pergi keluar rumah ikut trick or treating like that. So that is you can say that, or you can say the long sentence like what Shirley is saying. Okay, he gets to eat all the what do you call the candies that he doesn't give away to the trick or treaters that come to the house without going on trick or treating. Okay, this is trick. Okay, very good. Do you agree with me, Shirley?
Yeah, I agree with Miss Mo.
Okay, I also agree. So this is just to make it a little bit shorter, but you know the meaning of this, yes? Okay, very good. Thank you, Shirley. Any question, Shirley?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for joining early today, huh? You're early today, Shirley.
Yeah.
Okay, keep it up. Okay. Okay, thank you, Shirley. All right, so that's the answer. Basically, okay, it's the same like what Shirley say. Jadi he gets to keep all the candies that he doesn't give away. Dia bisa ambil semua permen yang tidak diberikan. Nah, yang tidak diberikan itu kan maksudnya yang permen sisa ya, sisa yang yang ada di rumah. Okay, that's the same. Okay, alright. So very good. That's the question number I. Okay. So we have the discussion here, guys. Okay, the discussion. This not related to the what do you call the conversation role play there. Okay, so this is talking about the special holidays that we celebrate in our country, something similar to the Halloween. Okay, now what do you think? Let's check on number A first. Okay, what are the special holidays for children in our country? Yes. Okay, and how do people celebrate them? Okay, so this is a little discussion here based on our experience and then what we have been through. Okay, the knowledge also that we have about, okay, something similar that's kids is gonna have fun in our country. Okay, so that's the fun for the kids. Usually they just they get the candies, okay, and then they also have fun by dressing up. Okay, there's the days that the kids been waiting for in a year. Okay, so something like that. Okay, that's the point of the day, the special holidays for children. Okay, all right, so since it's already 8:01, so let's continue this discussion on the following meeting. Okay, so you guys get yourself another week to try to figure it out this, and then we're gonna have a fun discussion about it on the following meeting. Okay, guys. All right, so I'll end the class tonight, guys. Okay, and thank you for joining and then participate really actively here. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, all right, so it's nice to
Good night, Miss.
guys.
Thank
That's
you.
Miss
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Okay, all right, you guys have a great week. Till next week, you guys be healthy, be happy, be grateful, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.